Hello. I did something kind of crazy. I don't know what's been going on with USPS lately, but every time I order a package, it'll give me the estimated delivery date, and then it shows up like a week earlier, which I am not complaining about, especially for things like this that I've been dying to get my hands on. But I was not expecting to film this today, so please excuse the chaos. Trying to cover my address, but yes, this is another unboxing video. As of right now, the time that I'm filming this, I just posted my unboxing for my Palm Springs Mini, so if you didn't get to check that out, you should. And like, this is so not like me, but I did make another Louis Vuitton purchase from the Real, like a couple days later. That's enough yapping, let's talk about the bag. As you can tell by the title, I got myself the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. Pochette? I don't know how to say it. This is the listing for it. This was $580, which I think is low-key kind of insane. It's from the 2013 collection, and it's in good condition. It says moderate discoloration throughout. So I think especially for a bag in good condition, $580 is a little crazy. But the reason why I went with this one over some of the other ones on the Real or even on Poshmark or the other sites that I found, although those were cheaper, I did really like how this little tab has not patinaed. I'm really not a fan of the honey brown color that the bags get as they age. So this is actually gonna be the first Louis Vuitton purchase of mine that has untreated leather. So the Real is the only place I've ever bought my Louis bags because I feel like their pricing is the most fair. I do think that this was a little much, but I didn't use my full budget for the Palm Springs Mini. So I was like, might as well get another bag. I am banned from shopping for the next 6 months, okay? Anyways, let's get into this unboxing. This is supposed to come with the box. Oh wow, there's like a stain on the box. Don't know what that's about, but it's okay, it's not that big of a deal. We have the dust bag. Oh, and it has the ribbon too. Look how cute it is. It says it was made in France. I feel like all the reviews I watched, people were talking about ASMR with this bag. It's such a cutie. Okay, I'm not a real big small leather goods person. I know that a lot of people use this as a catch-all in their purse or as a wallet. Personally, I plan on using it as a bag. I even have my Palm Springs Mini strap here. I'm gonna attempt to put this on here and see what it looks like crossbody. For reference, I have the iPhone, what phone do I have? I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Clearly it's a little bit smaller than my phone, so like, she's not fitting in here. But I did actually see a listing. Let me see if I can find it real quick for you guys. That way if you're interested, you can snag it before it's gone. For $676, so a little less than $100 more than this. And it's the Pochette accessories. So it's like a bigger version of this bag that your phone would fit into. It's in very good condition. And I kind of went back and forth between wanting this one or that one. Honestly, I think either one would be a really great purchase, but I ultimately went with this one because I thought it was so cute and chic. And I do also like the idea of being able to keep this inside some of my bigger bags. I mostly got this because I thought it was more chic than the other one. I just think it's cuter. And I'm so happy that I got it. I feel like it's so hard to tell on camera just how big something is actually gonna be in person. You really can't use this as a shoulder bag. I feel like that looks ridiculous on me. I just know I would get deodorant all up in that zipper. I'm a sweaty girl, what can I say? You definitely could carry it like this. I probably will. I think I'm more likely to use it just as a little top handle bag. This bag is over 10 years old. So I'm honestly shocked that this hasn't patinaed a little bit more. Whoever had this before me was taking great care of her and honestly probably barely even used her. The box does have like a little dent in it and some discoloration. I'm not too worried about that. It's a box. Also, I don't really care if my bags come with the original box or not. I haven't even opened it up yet. Little tag from the Real. It smells interesting. It smells like whoever had this before me knows how to cook. It smells like they cook a lot. But like, it doesn't smell like leather or plasticky or chemically. It kind of just smells like food, which I don't really care about that either. I bought a couple bags that are in like ridiculously awful condition. I still use them all the time. So I don't care about little things like that. So I can see the date code right down there. There's like a little bit of residue in there, which the listing did show. And there is quite a bit of space in there. While we're all here together, I will go ahead and show you guys what fits in here. I'm just gonna fill this with my daily essentials and we'll see how it goes. So number one, probably the most important thing to me is my inhaler. I'm just gonna stick that right there. This is my tiny little emergency kit pouch thing. If you've seen my what's in my bag videos before, you'll know all about this, but I just have like nail glue, hair ties, a mini nail file, bobby pins, a band-aid. Yeah, that is always good to have on me. This is my little key pouch. I normally keep this attached to my keys, but I use this as my wallet. And that fits in there nicely. A tampon. However, if I'm carrying a bag this small, I would most likely only bring a tampon with me if I'm on my period or expecting to get it. I'll just put that right down there. I cannot ever leave the house without a lip balm of some sort. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. If I'm wearing any color on my lips, I'll usually throw that in my bag too. This is the Anastasia lip gloss in Sunbaked. My little peppermint essential oil for headaches. And then I also have my car key. Okay, so with the car key in it, she's not gonna close. But if I take my key out, it closes with everything in there. I mean, it's kind of like creasing the bag a little bit. Like she looks stuffed, you can tell she's stuffed. Realistically, I would never stuff it this much. I really don't think I would carry it like that. But I just wanted to show you guys what fits so you get a general idea. I would also have no problem just like clipping my car key onto this part of the bag. Just holding it like that with my key. I think that's super convenient. Before we end the video, I do want to try and put this strap on it. This is from my Palm Springs Mini. So this is what it looks like crossbody. My couch is like in the way here. And I actually don't mind how it looks with the black strap either. I could probably tighten this strap up a little bit and make it a really nice shoulder bag too. And I think that's really cute. I think I do prefer it crossbody. There's a tiny little scuff right there and right there, but I feel like I could probably get those off. I'm not too worried about it. Do I think this bag was worth it? Now that I have it in person, I'm able to see the versatility when it comes to how you can wear it and how much it can fit. I'm gonna say yes, 100% it was worth it. But keep in mind, I got it secondhand. So I do think that this is 100% worth it if you are buying it secondhand, because you can typically get a better price. I paid just under $600 for this bag. But I know that to buy it brand new from Louis Vuitton, it is now over $800. That's not including tax or anything. It is over $800 US to buy this bag directly from Louis Vuitton at this point in time. Do I think that's worth it? Probably not. I think it is so much more worth it to go pre-loved. That's always gonna be my recommendation. I think that most bags are more worth it to buy pre-loved, especially if you are someone who doesn't mind the honey brown color that you get with this little tab, assuming you wanna get the monogram version. That's everything I have to share with you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I post every single week. I have a ton of other videos on my handbag collection, Louis Vuitton unboxings, what's in my bags. I will link a playlist at the end of this video, but enjoy the rest of your day or your night. I love you so much. Bye.